Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Infinix SMART 8 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection. I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, and then we can enter the Play Store. If you've got your Google account currently added to the device, you will be able to recreate all of my steps. If not, you have to either log in or sign up. If you're not sure how to do it, simply check our tutorial. So after logging, simply tap on the circle, which is your account. Then let's tap on Manage Apps and Device and tap on Manage. And as you can see, this is the list of all previously installed apps. So let's simply tap on Updates Available, and those apps can be updated. If you want, you can mark all of them. If not, just find those which you would like to update. So let me choose maybe those options, and then tap on Update in the right upper corner. And as you can see, your device will right now download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated, so you do not really have to do anything more. Just wait patiently. Of course, you do not have to wait right here. You can simply turn it off and everything will happen in the background. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.